then separate it out into its individual pieces. So these are a bunch of lines of the same thickness, and the best part is each one is getting this flat frontal projection. Now, if we did a Mograph thing on the rings and tried to like do a random on it or some sort of rotation, what would happen is our flat projection, which would be on the cloner, it wouldn't stick to it. It would kind of slide through the rings. But with this technique, it's going to be stuck to the ring. So when a ring rotates, it's kind of like the image rotates with it, just for that part. So anyway, let's carry on. And what we're going to do is break all these apart into individual objects. And we're going to do that by going to, I believe, Mesh, Conversion, and we're going to change polygon groups to objects. That means every polygon group that isn't connected to any other polygons will become its own object. So I'm going to go boop, polygon group to objects. It's going to process for a second, and now inside here, this one's empty now, and now we have each individual ring. Now, this actually does a really good job of keeping them in order, but what I found with this setup is it just messes up the very end. You'll see here we have the outermost ring, and then we get some of the inside rings, and I'm going to keep going down, and that, that's looking really good. But when we get back down to the bottom, you see we have that tiny little inner one, and then we have the next one, and the next one, and the next